I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is Divi. Select a form. Click Next. Now search and select Action LionDesk. Give here the client ID and client secret. So, click on Please visit the LionDesk apps. New app. Give here name and redirect URI. Save. Copy the client ID and paste it here. For client secret, click on Reveal Secret. And copy the client secret and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorized, successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use it, checking the box. Also, here is conditional logic, you can use it for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and type some information and submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now go to your LionDesk site. And you can see here the data came successfully in LionDesk. Thanks for watching.